How to watch movies on Plex. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can watch movies on Plex. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you must download the Plex application. If you don't have it yet, install it from the Google Play Store. After that, launch the Plex application and make sure that you're logged in. If you don't have an account, you can simply sign up for free and create an account. After that, log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on home page where you can find various movies. So under this recommendation, you can simply choose one movies that you want to watch. There you have various sections such as most popular, cheap thrills, etc. Or if you want to use the search bar, tap on the search icon and search from there. For example, I want to watch this movie right here, and that's gonna take you to their page. Here you can view their ratings and reviews and view all of this information about their cast and crew, season and extras. Also, there is a section as you might also like. So from there also you can change the movies. So once you're ready to play, simply tap on the play button on the interface and then the movie will start. So that's how you can watch movies on Plex, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.